Me hungry. 12:30. Hungry. No, see you. Time late. Afternoon.
Why you so big and crazy and lazy? Me give you sitting feet, you nyami cake, drinky juice and leave the bottle on the bed.
Mommy, I just want drinks. I want kiss cake with 2 in it and you take peace.
I never eat it. Me take up it like me, I go eat it, but me put it back and you eat it. You not notice what you eat before you eat it. So you name anything.
Me don't name anything. But no
Big and crave and licky. Listen to me now. Listen to me. And not even half an hour, me give you something to eat. And you come back again and tell me say you're hungry. Oi. You see this?
I'm not gonna do it that.
Look. Me want you to see the me turn you upside down. You see amount of oil in there?
Yeah, can't do fry one dumpling. Me hungry.
And this me have left out our Empress G send this from Canada, come give me. And the way you crave and use oil like a oil, they go out of style. And you want done it quick to enter the competition by dunning the oil. You see what you do?
Me use make sugar and water.
You know say I run joke and I no joking with you. Me not run no joke with you.
Mommy.
You waste the thing. And this me have left. Me just give you sitting for and you come back again. Well, guess what you go do? You see that little bit of oil here? If you serve for 3 weeks.
What? Mommy, you're mad.
When me say, no, because you waste it already. You're not going to get no more for waste. So you go learn to conserve. You're not going to feast today and famine tomorrow. You see the oil? Let me turn you upside down, make you see the amount. 3 weeks if you serve. So each time you go use it, 1 little tip, so lesser than 1 spoon. And see the curry. Good, nice curry she sent. Come, see it here. Me not even take off the plastic yet. You see when you use this, me beg in the name of Jesus to take time and use it. You understand? Yeah. Because everything expensive out here. Not cheap out here. So you see when God send a blessing in your life, you go learn to appreciate and give God thanks and tell somebody them thanks who send it come give you. You hear what me say? Because some of you too damn blasted and grateful and take people for granted. That's why some of you don't get nothing, you know. So you see who God sending out in your life to go no things when me I talk, don't talk.
Me not talking.
You see where you get that dirty style from? From your other generation them by your papa side. Every time you're hungry and me you come to, why you don't go to your father go ask him for something for
me
eat?
Me don't know where there.
What you mean you don't know where papa is there? What you mean you don't know where papa is there?
I don't know where him there.
You don't know where him there? Or you don't know where he is? Which one?
Mommy, I'm a Jamaican, I don't speak.
Shut up! Dear me idiot, Jamaica is the largest English-speaking Caribbean country in the whole world. You damn fool, I soon slap you in your head. I English then teach you in a school. Where you come from? Two years we could slang, patois and same thing. You idiot. Big and dunce and dumb and fool. Back at the class you did there. Who you? Let me tell you something, little girl. Take this. Go around at the kitchen around there so. You see? 2 mackerel there around there. And 1 sardine. What?
I don't want no mackerel.
You don't eat it or you don't want it?
I don't want it.
Because I know you name it. I eat me feed you pan from you're small.
Exactly. I'm tired of it.
So you can't tell that where you don't work for. And where you get to eat, you go eat and learn to satisfy. That we do know, ungrateful. Don't long out your mouth after me when I talk to you.
You cannot fry dumpling.
You cannot fry dumpling. Did I told you to fry any dumpling? Me say go cook mackerel and some caramel around there so. Go around there, go turn and name it. Take your Anton fashion. Me in the old school style same way, you know. I'm going to try to broke you in it for your absence. See, I know everything you see out already, you want KC, you want burger. You want go Wendy's. You want go Little Caesar.
Mommy, let me talk. Last month you feed me pa yam. This month you feed me pan dumpling and today you want to feed me pan ton caramel. It's not going to work in here.
Look your oi. I mean I talk to? Remember say me mother me box in your mouth. You're not working. And your father get one little work, no one again. He now work all the while. You have to learn to satisfy me. Tell about the ungratefulness when you know. That now nothing to do with me. If you know what, get up from in front of me and go sweep up here. Little nasty girl. You wash your plate them for a morning?
No, you if you do that, I am mother.
You know say no man as watching me are you. You think you get way now? You don't get way. Big up yourself and you run things. Go on. Can you look like I say you smell your arm and think a green yam. Listen to me. Since you start grow feather, down there so and up there so, you feel say you're a big woman, but don't play with me. Uno the hide and I take man a road and they come in my house and come go on like una big woman and I wanna pay rent underneath ya. So I lie una tell this a roof ya.
You lie serious aisle there. Boy little aisle. 2 weeks, about 3 weeks.
You see that? It's not mine. This, let me take up because you're ready to come to the woman turn over this one here. You know why she bring this over here? For me keep Miss Matty? Same thing where they go along over here with Fimi. I hit her pitney them a go on with. She beg me put it down. Your eye too red and you too little bit inquisitive. Leave people business alone at the woman back like if you take out none out of them and pay for you know. You understand? Excuse. Come out. Go on. Go on out.
Thanks.
Don't come back in here so to me. Go wash up your plate them and sip up here. They're too. You know, see if you be though. Before you go up on the street. Don't come back to me. Go and go wash up your plate them. Go on. Go on and stop talking when me and talking and no manners. What me if you do that? You out there go and give some look here. Go and give some lick you see little girl.
Hey, nice girl. Come here now. Why? You're looking good, man. You're single? You're single?
Yes,
You know.
I see you drunk already.
No, man. I'm not drunk, man. I'm good, man.
Like a water, so.
Water and rum, mama. Me not drink Pepsi and rum. Me not drink Boomer and rum. Me not drink them something natural. You have to drink rum natural. You don't drink rum natural. The semen and everything come up natural. No chemical business. You see me?
Yeah.
Right. So what I go on differently? You come around here live.
Yes, so what I walk down on the road and stop me. Where stop me for?
You don't live with no man?
No, I don't got no man. I live by myself. You have a woman?
Well, I have a housemaid and a daughter. I don't really have no woman live with, you know. So, but you can't come a yard, come look for me if me a yard talk.
Time too hard, I know. I'm not too on a broke pocket, man. Time too hard.
Mama, we talk about broke pocket.
Struggle and...
Mama, me have cash. Me have dollars, mama. Dollars.
See you jump on there.
Thank you, baby. Yes. Me have dollars,
So
man.
you can buy me something?
Huh?
You can buy me something?
Buy you something?
Yes.
What do you want me buy you? When me done, me not get your number, so how me buy you something?
Alright then, you know nobody here, alright.
Huh? Yeah, man. Just give me your number and then we can buy you something, you know?
Daddy. You don't put the number in there, so.
I want to look up at me, man.
Put the number yourself, sir?
Man, you sit down right here, so.
Huh?
I don't have no money and I want a little bit of ash have over there.
Shut up. Shut up.
Yes, my mother.
No,
baby mother. Hello, she say office every 3 weeks. I mean, I want no ton call me.
Oh, what kind of something them embarrassment in the parable?
Mama, look at. Yeah.
But you come like son for your money, having your pocket of people money.
No, I'm calling.
I feel money, so you don't take it do every day.
Calling. Yeah?
Alright. Thank you.
Call me. Hey, listen. Between me and you, there are many more where that come from, you know.
Alright, just
So
me
you
out
just-
me out like I want more money.
You link me.
Mama, no fall in trick here.
Let me see money, you know.
Link me.
Let me sit down.
Why did the devil send you out here to me?
The devil not send me out here. God remember me. And tell me say the right or wrong ball.
I God remember you.
Yeah.
Until you say,
Yeah, me not eat a morning and that me come but me hungry, me want some money now.
me left $100 in the jar over there. Give
That $100, she don't want to give me it. He might tell me about 2 mackerel in the kitchen. And call me, go get me and make fashion. Me no want it, and me no wash no plate if me no eat.
You hear what me I say? Go back over there. Take up your car meal. Turn on the stove with some water. Throw salt in it. Dash your car meal in there. Pour it. You scale it in nitrogen time. You dash in there with a piece of butter. And you turn it. Now butter not there. You tip little oil in there. You turn it. And eat it. Mama, you don't want nothing more. And mix little sugar
Me
and water.
don't eat it. Me tell mommy say me take it and make sugar and water and she cuss me.
So you...
No, daddy, if you truly have money.
Hey,
oh,
don't ramp with me. Don't ramp. I'm not having. Come go over.
me nah,
Come, we are go over.
me
Come.
nah go over.
Come. Because your mama
And
must
that's
go.
why-
Go on. Go on, sir. Go on, sir. You chat too much.
And that's-
Let me ask you a question now. Why you say I come out on road?
She never send me out there because look for you because I'm hungry.
So hold on. You mother not there?
Me tell her say me don't want no one call me from outer road. Mommy, he give one woman outer road $200 US. Yeah, and he give me $100.
Look at you, shut your mouth. You see me give nobody $200.
Yeah, one black girl.
You believe her?
One big forehead girl.
You,
One black big forehead girl.
you believe her? Huh? After you spoil her? You follow me up and down?
See ya. I catch up a roadside, boy.
Yeah. You see me a drink?
He might run me. Come me tell the girl say, don't fall for him tricks. But come mama, me have money. Take out the money and buy and $100 and give you for share for a morning. You wicked like.
Hey, oi. Let me tell you something. Me not say you disrespect your father.
Amen.
Me not say you fi talk to your father anyhow.
Amen.
Let me tell you something. Me never say enough you can't tell me what you seen do a road. But look, listen to me now. You go have manners to your father.
And then we keep your eyes shut when you see me on road.
Look here. Shut up your mouth. Cause me soon deal with you know. Me soon, yes, you notice me not say nothing. You notice me not answer when you not talk. Me just say listen. Cause me want to know who I tell lie from who not.
She, that was she. Me are the older one.
Little girl.
Yes, mommy.
Who the man that to you?
My father.
You sure?
Yeah,
And me a what you?
my mother.
You sure?
Listen to me now. Me realize say you talk to me like I know me your man. And you dey talk to him
Like I know me
him and your papa.
Shut up, she say enough to talk when she stop.
You see it? You see it? You see it?
Alright, mommy, sorry. Me just
Alright, guess
vex.
what? You see odds friend today? Me and your daughter and me I pitney in your son. See your baby mother there. Talk to him. I come like a way me I say a foolishness. So me shut up. Mommy talk. Cause you're my man.
I'm not acting big, but me just tell you what happened.
No, nobody call me in the morning.
See girl, they calling phone there.
Mommy talk. Cause listen to me, little girl. And me breed and carry you. But it look like I say, and you breed and carry me. And you get pregnant and carry. You're my man. Okay, mommy, talk.
No,
You
you
shut your mouth. And your man too.
I know, I'm a grandmother.
Listen, the two of we man.
I'm a grandmother. Cause only my grandmother could have
we
chat to
go
me
shut
so.
up and make shit talk. Cause look like I say, me no teacher for a long time, so when time big people talk, if you shut your damn blasted clappers. Talk. Shut up your mouth.
But if you not talk, me not talk. Deep loud. So I act dumb so for now.
He said no talk. No talk. You have to have manners. I'm telling you now.
You.
And you spoiler.
Could on give me the phone. You're banned 2 weeks straight. Give me it.
But who me go get?
But your backside, give me this. Me and your power card and buy that. Kneel down there, so.
Long
Me no want hear no talking Friday. Just kneel down.
all the time me kneel down and when me do up by altar. See there.
No, me no say you're a real mother here. You deserve.
Turn off the damn blast.
You deserve
Don't need no
100.
money.
No, you me again.
Turn off the fan. No fan for you. And kneel down myself kneel down. We are stoop down both. Go a little further. Turn on your face. Turn your face to your papa. And you go apologize to him for every disrespect. You laugh. You take it for joke. You take it for joke. You laugh.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
And I say,
No, me don't want that.
hello. And I say, you go serious and think about what you're going to say first before you say it. And no laughing, no jokes. Listen to me. You're going to apologize for every indecent language and every disrespectful word you use to your father. Like I say, my son, little boy, I road. Me alone for disrespecting. You're no big woman in a this. Me notice that you don't pick nowadays. Now, no manners to pick.
Can me talk to you?
Shut up. Like we say, and we start to.
If you need a lick when you're 2 years old.
Like we say, and talk to who?
Mommy, your finger fell too much.
Hello. Kneel down. And if you stoop one more time, you shut your box. Look for your father and tell him sorry and no smiling for your face and it's serious.
Alright. Daddy.
Stop the laughing.
Alright, mommy. Alright, I'm
Look, you have respect to people, man.
Alright, Daddy. I'm sorry for what I said out the road and in here to you. I'm sorry.
And you're not going to do it again. You're not make that mistake there again. Tell him.
Daddy, I'm sorry. I'm not going to make that mistake again.
I hope you mean, you know. Because you say the next time me hear or him come tell me say you disrespect him, you will find out. Next time you hold one of your foot and one of your ears and you're not lean pan nothing at all. You get what I say? Get up and come out and this one talk to your father.
Well, 1 minute. 1 minute before you move. Take this and go wash out your dirty mouth. Go on with it. You know no manners.
Oi! Oi! Come back here, sir.
Go on.
Come back here, sir. Give back your father the toothpaste. Take the toothpaste, friend.
Take it to place.
Come up here, so and stop. This a little girl that just laugh
Alright.
like I say no
Alright,
nonsense.
mommy. Alright, see me here.
Take the toothpaste from your father the right way. What you must say?
Thank you.
Oi!
Wash out your dirty mouth.
No. You go take it proper. You know if you grow up with manners, man.
Yes, and wash out your dirty mouth.
I brushed my teeth this morning.
You know, seems like I know no manners. Anyway, you see, if you did a jape her up, from 2-year-old come up, she won't talk so. How you talk to me, she talk to me. You know what it is? How you...
Hold on there. We have to talk loud fishy steer on this one.
No,
You
alright,
in a
alright.
argument like what you always do.
Alright.
You see, it make them a pick me no manners because they tired to see mother and father they argue, mother and father they lick one another.
So you practice for me for?
You do so and you do so.
Mm.
Come.
So you practice for me for? Why you do it?
No, listen to me now, Papa. Me is your baby mother.
Yeah.
You are my baby father. Me and you have one child together.
You know, seems like we have a big man together.
Listen.
Because that's a child.
From other day, I tell you somebody go to clinic.
Mm.
And me feel sick and me feel like I'm pregnant again. But me don't want she to know because you know she jealous.
Mommy.
Go out! And don't talk to me. You feel have manners. Come back.
My peroxide to kill germs.
There's a story I no want she to hear. Me no want she hear. And you chat for she hear. Listen to me. Me I tell you something say me feel like me did pregnant, me never sure. Cause me a spit and a vomit. So me go a clinic. And me do the test. And me see 2 red streak. And the pregnancy test something. So if them say me pregnant for sure. Me never 2 weeks ago. You know how later where you want to do?
Come, fine clean it. Fine clean it. Fine clean it. For 2 weeks, fine clean it. No, me can't take it. Me cannot take it. Me can't take another big woman in there or a big man. Me don't know which one I come. So we have to save our life from now.
Papa, I don't know if I get me pregnant for sure, you know.
No.
I'm not sure if I you. Because remember saying the last time you did go doctor then say your sperm's count low. So me not know.
Somebody got dead, you know. Somebody got dead.
So you not have to give me no money if you go dash your belly where you're not sure say yours.
Hold on. Think my way just say a while ago, yeah? Think my way just say. Just think my way just.
Take it, no. Like that man there because
No.
You first give me money now. Are you first give me money now? Are you first give me money?
But you can't know a man do and still be a lady. You cannot do that.
Me no want be no lady, me a woman.
Alright. Let's think more what you said.
And you first give me money and see they know a bossy boss and this happen to me. You can't take it because me not like that man there because
think more what you say, yeah? Think more what you say.
Me not dash you nothing neither. Me they give your name me and put you there. You have to come and ask go outside.
Mommy. I wash the plate and everything. I laid off everything. I'm hungry now.
You want to call me later on there?
It look like Daddy either dash me a ring on it. When I see it around there in the kitchen.
The cornmeal when me tell us if you go look about. What you say?
Yeah. It look like Daddy either dash me a ring on it. I don't know when there. I don't see.
See you not eat nothing?
No.
Come here.
Yeah.
It's what me I tell you say. Anytime you see anything in the house, if you take time with it,
Yes, Mommy.
you don't take time with nothing, and that me don't like with you. You waste things too much, like your family them rich. And even if you're rich, you're not supposed to waste things. You give things to people who in need of it. You don't waste it and throw it away and them something there. You know how much people out the road hungry? You know what me have to work to make you eat?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. The amount of dirty clothes that I go around and wash, people dirty clothes. Sweep up people yard and all kind of something just to make you eat and your father go doing like a 1 and 2 work and sitting. You need to take time with the things them. You can't waste out the things them. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
So when you see me go to market and I buy like a grocery bring in the house, you need to take time with it. And the other day, I go down the road, you know what the woman over there tell me, say? And I call her name, you know, a whole heap of people live around me, so you won't get to know, because I know you're little and flighty enough. And love go argue with people. Every time I say something to you, you carry it back to people. Like, anything we discuss in our house can't stay in our house. The woman tell me, say, I take out my things, the man I give your friend them and the whole on, no? Gone over next door neighbor over there, so you must know where you go. But cook and one if I sitting then when me come now, you stress me out and tell me say you're hungry. Is that right?
No, mommy.
So I lie the woman I tell upon you?
Mommy, all the thing we need to cut and get, I want pound of rice and some I want tongue and 2 mackerel.
You're here. You're working now.
No.
So who authorized you to take out the stuff them from out of the house and you know say sometimes you don't have no money and you, especially to your pa. Sometimes you don't have no money on job. Me no know which woman him a give money a road or a drink him a drink. Me don't know. Me no want to judge him wrongful.
And the girl when me did tell you about him I give the money, but he never did that listen when me did talk. He told me if you go watch out my mouth with the toothpaste because there when me I walk come up the road when me take out the 100 out of the drawer, me see him over there so one woman and me go over there and he tell me say can me tell him say I only want a little bit of oil over there for serve for 3 weeks. And he tell me say if tap in eyes. Then me ask him for money and he slapped me on my hand. And he give the girl $200 or $300. And the girl gone and he tell the girl to call him.
So you know the girl?
Yeah, if me see her, me can show you her.
So how much time you see your father with that the girl there?
All the time when I go by bar, me I know if
Well, maybe I'm friend and he can give, and that not nothing. He can give anybody one little change if they want it, as long as I know him girl. Cause me bust up a girl face, me not ramp with my man. And your father and he's supposed to take care of you and me notice from the other day him not have no money. So me not understand where you go on.
Bro, when me ask him say,
I want to bulb.
I don't know.
I want to bulb.
I don't know. It,
You go to your father now and tell him say it look like say JPS I lock off the light because him don't pay the light bill.
but
And ask him when with the money because he left fryer from morning with the money. Me no know when he gone.
hey, nah, tell a lie. Other day, him boss pay him and he not carry no food in here. And that the day, that the same day they give the girl
See
the
there,
money.
JPS.
See like the blink
One
right
to
there.
your father, tell him say you're hungry
Yeah.
and tell him say if he pay the light bill because he look like JPS I go cut off the light. Go on.
So you want nothing to eat?
Me no want nothing from him. Me we cook. Me we
Alright.
find something to cook. No worry yourself. Just go make it.
You,
Huh?
me get on me
You
see you.
again?
Me again. Let me tell you
What, what?
this. Let me tell you this. I never been so embarrassed in my life before.
With the
Reach a me yard and I call the man who give me his number.
no, me see a
And
call
I
me.
get him.
But you me a talk to me babysitter. Me house helper matter of fact. Me couldn't
You could have answered, make the house helper wait. You
No.
could have answered the phone.
couldn't do that. Me couldn't
Yeah,
do
behave
that.
like say you have woman in here where can't answer the phone certain hours at time.
I not like say night you call me. You call me a busy man. You just give me number you call me. Eh?
Okay, like I want nice somebody and I like to get to know you. You not
Oh.
interested in me?
Of course.
Me not be interested in you then.
No,
I come
no,
like
no.
saying now work.
No, listen. I want you in. And you is the key to the foundation.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to be one of the most brilliant girl to me.
Yes, but that me I say me
Lord of
every
God.
time me in the chat you hear that I just love pop up.
Yes, man, we still know again.
We are doing it here.
Mommy send me to come tell you say, if you pay a light bill, cause I like the go. And she said if you come ask her if you call me.
You listen to me. Your mother, you know, your mother don't live with me. So your mother.
Mommy live with you and I see him bed and sleep every night.
You can't listen to Pitney. Pitney jealous. You know that. Your mother want feed me panton car meal morning, noon, and night. Like me, I eat that. Like I have a house helper cook me steak and chicken over there. I take it car meal, give sister
Which
Pat.
house helper?
Huh?
Which house helper you have? You can't even buy food every day.
You know what I'm saying?
How should I lie? You and your daughter?
Him. Because the woman live with him. You hear? He said my mother want feed him panton car meal. Then he got on him out and have house helper.
That's why mother send him
You
come on my
fool?
yard with. Ton car
Like
meal.
that?
Oh.
You understand what I say?
She ya say A and she a say B.
Well, no make it be
Woman,
a C.
believe me.
Come answer what I go on. Anyways.
Mommy tell me if I behave myself, you know. But you come and like say you're head God.
Alright.
Wait. Listen to me, young lady. You see, next you see me and your father talk. Don't come by your mother. Come up once and wait till me gonna come by your mother. Me a talk about my
My
man.
mother text him there. And my mother there text him before you reach here, so.
You don't follow him. No follow him. No follow him.
And
Alright.
2 years.
Me will call you.
Buy
Me a go down
something
the road here.
to eat.
Me will call you. Cause
You.
me tired of this.
Me I carry you go down here, move my hand. And me I go make sure me go feed the light. I see you. You're tired. I'm tired to stop compound road come shame me.
Me nah share me address it true.
Cause why you tell him? Anyway, me pay the light bill. Me make sure me pay that with my last money. So I hear a phone and ring, flash stuff. Eh? Anyway, why you say, why you sitting there come out there talk about the car meal?
What?
The car meal.
Why me send her out there if you come talk about cornmeal? She said she hungry. And she said the cornmeal missing. And if the cornmeal missing, only person leave from out of the house is you. So must you go and do the cornmeal. Why you see the little cornmeal and take it come out and go out the road? Go. Look here and go give people.
You give me Spatsy for Tony Gin dog. Because me can't eat ton cornmeal every day. Every day me I eat ton cornmeal. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night. No want something else to eat. Rice and them something there.
You give me money to buy rice or something there? As according to what you say, rice and something there. You give me money to buy anything else, a cornmeal there, so me am the cornmeal. You cannot eat what you don't have. You have to eat what you have.
Me broke.
You're broke.
Mommy,
So all you want sitting for them where you don't have. You
excuse
have to
me.
what you have.
Mommy, your phone the ring.
Excuse. Lie down and shut up. Make the phone stay. She can wait. Me I talk to your father. That me talk to you about from the other day, you know?
She or he?
You see it for yourself?
Oh.
Okay. Me just get no one answer. Me not have time to answer no phone. Me I talk to you. Me can call her back afterwards.
You could have saved me as a man and save me because you know say yeah, no woman out there. They save man. They save man as
No, that's
Chelsea.
true. Other day you run like a joke with you. A joke me did that me. When me tell us say, oh, me pregnant and I must see somebody else and I you first. Remember say you always see me but me you know about me them read and I feel that too. Me want hear where you have to say because you're too jealous. You so jealous and you love give bun. Me not have no other man with you.
No, listen.
I mean, I know you cut off for the argument with the camera where you take care of here.
Me not give drive a man there, me not give bun.
Come with man argument.
Me not give bun. Anyway, you see you now. You gonna go in the kitchen. Take up the white sugar and you use 4 spoons in a 1 cup and you throw it in the water, drink it.
That cannot fill my belly. I'm sorry. Mommy, and give the girl out there so $200 a while ago.
And then,
Me if you mix sugar and
so
water.
that girl is a $200 girl because every time you hear
Mommy,
a story about you,
Mommy,
you say you give woman $200.
Mommy, and a
So he's
200.
a $200 man.
Mommy.
You is a $200 giver and she's a $200 receiver.
Mommy.
Like, me need to know who.
Mommy,
Wow.
and a $200 Jamaican dollar, a $200 US.
Tap.
Hey. Where your mother tell about your mouth? Keep by your mouth. Just shut your mouth. Your mouth has slipped too much. Shut your mouth. Look
Your
at me.
sister is not like you must say my
No,
mouth
no,
has
that-
sleep too much. Daddy, you must stop.
Ask you. How she get the 200 US?
Me if you ask you, you talk how you give the 200 US. Me not ask you nothing.
Me boss, you pay
Turn
me.
off the fan because you not pay bill. You're too light to all that the money they want to ask about. Turn off the fan. Turn it off. I bill go up more and more. This one no light in. You
Me-
see that start go so again.
Me boss,
Like in bulb.
me boss pay me in the US and me dey borrow $120 US and the boss pay me and me just hand it to her.
So hold on there. Papa,
Huh?
you is my baby father. Matter of fact, you're my man forever. For so long, you're a boss. I pay you in the US for a long time, and this is the first news to me. You never know say your boss pay you in the US.
Alright, before me answer that, I don't like how your phone a bling bling too much. But anyway, let me talk about this
Let me
now.
answer.
Let me talk
Shit him up.
about this now. You see, my boss used to, not still a pay me, you know, used to pay me in US, but no, me not.
You just say your boss pay in the US, which me never
Me
aware
got back your
about
money.
that.
Good.
Now you come back and say your boss used to pay in the US. You feel say you can't give me any pill for take? Me nah no flu. You can't just come tell me anything and me just take it put in my brain. So me look like me dear. You can't trick this woman. You go trick the other woman them where you have a road where they hide from me.
No, I'm gonna call you Yamin.
Cause none of them your woman them where you have a road can't face me, you know. They
No,
can't stand
no,
up to me,
woman,
you know.
baby. No, woman.
They can't stand up to me.
Me loyal to you. Every woman that come to me with you on the finger.
Thank you with your liar self. Thank you very much. You things you can pack up my brain. Because you things you have crayfish brain me up so you can't hold me. You see any woman where I give money a road, you're 200 US and you're this and you're that. And they come trick me and I no money if you pay the bills them in the house nor buy food.
So you really believe that over me? You really think, say, me go do that?
Yeah. Well, let me tell you something. Any girl where they give money a road, if they think you can wear the ring, or them a go wear the ring with you. If they think say you a go wear the ring, or them a go wear the ring with you, or them I go come say them a wife you liar tell her me alone a wear your ring. And you go wear my ring and they go with it forever until they do us part. No girl not part. If them a take where them a take them better take it and nobody think so them can't come own up you.
Me not like the dead till death do us part. Me not ready for dead yet. Want to
Because
live
I go
longer.
dead now, you know, but the whole way I go part one day, we just don't know when.
But-
So you should start at the truth because lie we kill you.
Alright, let me talk it truth.
You know much money dead truth then tell lie?
What talk it truth? You remember yesterday when time I come in and me
Papa,
take out the money.
if you know say I want lie, you go tell me. You better turn it back. I mean, we hope you.
Alright, let me come clear and clean. Alright. Me did the one time yesterday me take out the money
Eh?
and me get it.
So why a big old donkey like you, a big old ass steering man like you contact like a son like a 5-year-old kid?
No, pay attention now. Me get it $100, right?
know if you say that if I stuck
And me get it $100. I did my boss money and they give me for pay because them, but money mine me can get back 100 by the weekend. From you.
Which school
So me can
me
go.
go? Most of every name they figure.
Papa, your ass or your jackass? Me look like a fool to you.
Hello.
Me come poo where they come try to turn me in an idiot just like you we get a chicken road and I take your money. Me look like a jackass?
Look at that.
You think you can fool me? So
How?
every money when me have me fi take it you. After you give away for your money on road and then you take for me money and go drink rum and give girl too.
So you believe
And
you,
my money you want to use by front.
you believe you pick
So
over
can
me?
me front not satisfy you?
You believe you pick over me?
My front can't satisfy you. So you have to go on road go give girl money. Okay, so I pay down for you and I speak the truth. Oh, so you them a talk if a man want you have to pay. I wanna them. I'm going to sleep at night time and the room in your throat and make nice and make this and you can't take it no more. You're damn crave. You're always hungry. So you know what me go have to do? The next time, put on a woman, you have to just go wash their dirty clothes, take out all the chain and put one side and step this in by some lamp fire if you pass the word and nail and name too much and not get a stay 9 4.
Alright, you
You
are.
tell if I little craving belly girl, you go take it on me, gear road and a punch up about fussy your backside, me go down her yard, go ask her.
Me I'll get, no way. Me I'll get one pound of rice and 2 tin mackerel.
Come get who?
Huh?
Come get who?
To cook for dinner.
Me go cook it, give you here dinner, me don't want them. Alright. Me the fan party and fancy this, but you go wash 20 and 2 million. You buy something that one.
Alright, it's up to you if you know how you think.
You be cook it, one.
Alright.
Mom. Mommy.
Hmm?
You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Can I go on the road?
Oh. Sit down, let me talk to you.
Yes.
So true, you want to go on the road, you come in, mommy. You alright, me know say something wrong, cause anytime you need something from me, that's the only time you talk to me like you want little girl. But different from that, anything else, you get big. Where you go to the road for?
I just go walk.
For nothing at all? You just go walk just for nothing at all? I must something make you go up on the road.
I go meet somebody.
Somebody who?
My
Boy or
friend.
girl?
Girl.
Where you know that is somebody from?
Online.
Online? Where you about the online people them say? Remember you don't know them from nowhere. So the first time you go meet that somebody there?
No.
So you meet this somebody already and no make me as a mother know or your father know?
I did one day mega school.
So you not hear about where they go on online?
Yeah.
So you just meet people online and then go and then not make your parents aware and just go meet them just like that in person
You want to meet?
without my consent. Suppose that somebody where did fi take you away, where you left me if you gone to jail and your father gone to jail same way. So
No, mommy, nobody not gonna jail. Nobody with that.
a prison what we go now.
The person out a bamboo tree.
So
So they wait for me
Oh,
from.
hello. Just listen to me, cause that the person that is important right now. Listen what me I say. You don't need to go away with strangers that you don't know where you say you meet online.
We're just going to talk out there.
Oh, and talk lead up to something else, and that something else they lead up to another something, and then another something to another. Listen
You
to
want
me.
to meet him?
Me no want meet nobody. Me no want meet nobody at all. You know what? Me nah go no jail for you. So guess what? Go on to your father and ask your father if you fi go up on the road because I ain't sending you nowhere. Me not send you nowhere.
Alright.
I will not send you on the
So,
street to
Mom.
people where me no know from nowhere. Then go put you in a body bag. Little more you go over news say they analyze you the blood of Jesus. Little girl, if you know me know, you find something do, you know what, go and go look outside if you see your father and ask him if you figure up on road to friend where you meet online. Cause I know me I send you.
If he say yes, we can just go on without come back to you.
I ask you still they ask me. Me not send you no way. Ask your papa. So
Okay.
in case anything happen to you, when the police them come, me not have nothing to do with it. Go and go ask your father. Me not send you out on no road. But this a girl I know easy do Jesus. They don't know people. They meet people online and just run go meet them. Underage girl like you not make me aware. You not make your father know and me know for me say, well, we are come with you to see a who. Eh? You know how much people them a take and they send go away. You know what they call that there? Eh? Human trafficking and human trafficking and all kind of sin thing. Them a take out people loans, them a take out people liver, kidney, heart and every part of them. Eh? What are we a little and brave? No man no fi have sense. Parents no talk to no pitney them. They love too much strangers. I no make parents know where them a do from where they not do or where them a.
Why, oh boy. Huh? Nice rough. Huh? Where you time make me from?
Mommy, some can go pan go meet my friend them. Me I go here.
Let us see how your mum good luck. Anyway,
But nobody grown there, no.
why?
No grown there yet. Wait till later. Rake up here.
Why your mummy buy them jars? You know if you wear them jars, if you wear some bingo bag, me don't have a problem with that one there in the car big.
I saw that.
Oh, yeah, your mummy G-string, that I hate seeing that G-string, you see.
She's a
But me
big
don't know
woman.
why in a G-string. But anyway, you when me I tell you say no.
But, Daddy, how can I say for them friends?
How me close your watch? You better go on here, Ben. You
Yeah, go.
better you go on when you
Remember,
go.
no, go in there now.
I don't business with you and your mother. Your mother sitting on the road, you go on.
You go in there. Remember, you go.
And if I'm just saying you go on.
You go in there.
Yeah. Congratulations. The car come like me now don't talk in here. Me now don't talk in a me own place and yard. Eh?
What you mean?
You give her permission to leave the yard. Why?
Give who permission to leave yard?
My daughter.
What you talk about?
Your daughter. My daughter and your daughter.
Oh, what that?
Oh God, JPS, don't do with this. Eh.
You know, say you say you pay the bill, so no JP side problem. The bulb need to change. Anyway, make it stay. Anytime them a go blow up, so then wink. So, little more when me go downtown, me buy one bulb. Don't worry about the winking.
Coming up.
A pepper light it on today.
Why you send a little girl gone on the road?
Which little girl?
Gone back from which little girl? The most.
Then me no must ask you which little girl, can you say my daughter, your daughter, our daughter, this and that, the daughter, whatever daughter. Me no say nobody, so me dey
You
ask.
come round, they come say, Daddy. What to your man? Anyway, it look like he did this time.
That's why you figure your woman money. Give me money, me can buy things when needed in the house. See, let me tell you say bulb go. Stop call up JPS name, call lie they tell pan them. Me know say you pay the bill late, but it's not JPS is the problem. You need to buy one good bulb.
See, come on.
Okay, the bulb a blow.
No, JPS, I can't see fan. All the fan is cheap out today.
Your fan no good. From me know you. Me come here come see this a fan how much years.
At $7,999 I pay for it.
What you say about me send who?
She come and said, Daddy, Mommy said I can go on the road. You don't have to go ask her because she give it approve. But if she come around and you say yes. Anything she say, you say yes.
No go no further. You want to tell me say she really come tell us say me give her permission to go to the road.
Yes.
What me approve? Me a work at embassy to you. You see me a approve anything? Me look like me can approve anything? Me a give you visa. Look here. Me no approve nothing. Me no send nobody nowhere. Tell her say me call her. Papa, you know say you your daughter take the line and say offer because a pure lie you come in and can't tell me. How the hell me fi send the little girl go a road? Go do what?
Me, she take it like this offer.
Why me fi send the little girl go to a road? To who? You know when she come in here and say to me sit down right here so me talk to you. Cause me no know what they happen to you, you know. Everything she tell you, you believe and you know say she want little liar for a long time. Listen to me. She come in here to me and ask me if she can go on the street. Me say, why you want to go on the street? She say she want to go meet some friend. Me say, where you meet them friend from? Where you know them from? She say, online. So me say to her, say, you just meet people online and you don't make me and your father know. So you meet people online and you want to go meet them. She said she meet them already before. So me say, suppose they went kidnap you and take you away. You know where you are going in the world. With human trafficking and all kind of thing and loans that take out and this and that. All of them, let me go through with this little girl. And she really can't tell a lie, say me send her on the road. Papa, you should have known me better than that. Look here, when me ready, me will tell you a lie. But not this one. Me out of it. Me not in this at all. The little girl must see better than her man. Because
Have what? Have what?
Because why should I look on her father and tell her father lie?
Okay.
And tell lie upon her mother, me.
I work me the going now. Cause this means I'm still working soon. I work me the
She tell you lie upon me. I did not send her anywhere.
Alright, now then. Me not better go work today now. Hungry I go nyam him.
So now me know say she a number one liar, the capital A, go straight to Z liar. Now me have to go start up me big bulb here them pan she.
You know what you offer?
My mind tell me say a lie shit. No must you don't pine pan me.
Why you offer me? Me ever tell you a lie?
You always a tell me lie.
No,
You
no.
always a tell me lie. You never have money for you can't give me yet. You ever broke and hungry and have nothing for them and they dig me down because you want sitting for eat. For the little dirty clothes them when me wash a people yard. Me have to take your money come cook food give you and our that and myself. Plus pay fare back out of it figure we are how much mile from here so figure wash again. And you dey work. No one again you work, you know. And you get a little money and give it to your road. But don't worry yourself. You see, they always say cow no know the use until fly take it. That means say the butcher go chop off it. So then turn it round back and say cow no know the use until it cut off. Cause guess what, if from fly take it, you have to chop off it down good. So you see you no know the use of me, don't worry yourself. Me just humble myself and pray to God for God give me a good man. Because you not go and good from the other day. Me they watch you. All of a sudden you broke like a church mouse. You don't have no money to give me, you broke like a church
All
mouse.
right. Yeah, me will be a good father.
When? Today?
Me, I go on the road, go look for that. Anyway, me see him with a boy or
The
anybody.
little girl come in here to me and ask me say she can go up on the road and me tell her if she come to you and ask you if she can go up on the road because police all lock up none away and you if you lock up not me. Me not send her no way. See me tell her.
So why are me here telling the police to lock up?
So why she can ask me if you send her up on
you are
the road?
mother.
And you are father.
If it was a son, you could have sent the son come to me. Me da go walk my son.
Me nah go down in them the details that we do, you know. Son or daughter, from I said go and ask the father, go ask your damn blasted pan ask me not.
All right.
When she get in a trouble,
All right.
and put we in a trouble, you wanna stay in the come here, take out myself, me not send her no way.
All right.
When they start hiding her man, I saw them tell lie.
Oh, me
and
have
you
no
an
bet you
idiot.
about
She
this.
come
So
to you, come tell you say, if you no come say nothing to me because me don't approve her like me I work at embassy. You know what? Go look for your picnic and me not go nowhere.
Me I go show you say, I know embassy me work. Me not approve
If you when
nobody.
they put on the belt the pan her for a long time, should they be better?
Just when me done with our skin, put it in the bully beef.
Put it in a wish bully beef.
All right.
Eh? And I can't beef again.
Come go in. Bright. See how this up? Bright. Me not ramp with picking. Me not ramp with them.
Him beat me downtown.
Don't tell him about me beat a downtown.
Hold on.
Me buck him up a bush up there and me swash his ass. Me say,
Hold
where
on.
you come from? He did a stammer and I said, I know you can't tell where I come from. And
Hold on there. After you go tell your papa lie for me your mother. Say me send you a road and wish you know to God up in heaven knows say I did not send you anywhere. You come to me. You asked me to send you on the street and I said no, go and ask your father. You really go to your father and tell your father say me approve you to go up on the road and you know say I lie they tell. Why you do that? Why you do it?
Because me never have an online friend with too long. Him go say no.
Eh? Why you do it? Why you do it?
No man, finish your word.
Why you do it?
Why you do it, John Crow? Finish your word.
Why you do it, me say?
I'm
Hold
not
up
John
your head. Hold up your head, cause when they tell the lie them, you they tell them big and bold. So you need to tell me why you tell a lie. It's such a lie too. Pam me. After me done explain and tell you we are
Could I
going in the world.
say you go to prison, you know, cause you would have prison if anything happen, you know.
You see it?
I would have tell the police.
So now you
them
come back
say,
and tell another lie against your father beating in the town and you know say up a bush past some old dirty road in see you. You see you?
I would have tell the police
know,
them say your mama send you go a man yard behind my back.
Me never money out. Me never go.
Papa,
Huh?
how me do you make you hate me so?
Because he look going on tell all that, he say, you say she can go and meet her online friend. I asked her
And
to
all when me tell you right now how it go, you're there looking at me eye and tell me say police involved. You that tell the police say me send our daughter go a man yard. You're a wicked
yeah,
baby
because at
father.
least when me not wicked, but at least when I get local freedom, look a bit, you know. She would have got a
Oh,
cop.
so you want so you see when me they talk now?
Huh?
When me say you she get the lie them from cause see that she tell lie for me and you come the chat say you that tell lie for me too. For police go with me, feel get little freedom like seriously?
Me know what I'm tell her for you.
Then no lie you that tell for me. Because me not
But
send
me
her
ask
out
you a
of the yard.
question.
And me not send her go no man yard.
Your mother send you out of the yard. Yes or no?
No.
So all you can tell me, sir, mommy give you approve to go meet your online friend Eh?
Are you send me?
Me!
Daddy, you know, say if you top tell lie now. Are you send me?
Me send you!
After you tell me say me can't go on, you go come up a bush, come beat me. And tell me when me good on. Tell me if I wrote when me good on. No! Tell
I
me
said to you, say,
let me
if
talk.
you and your mother feel say you're a big woman, you can
He
go on.
tell me say if he go.
And I approve.
He tell me
Wait,
say if he go.
make she talk,
Him
What
tell
you
me
say?
say fi
Hold
go.
on, me so make you
Mommy,
talk. The
him
two
tell
not
me-
talk one time so me not understand.
Mommy, he tell me say if he go on.
Look for me when they talk to
He
me,
said
cause
me go-
listen, little girl,
Alright.
listen to me no. But that fees you can come tell me no. Make sure you say a true you they talking no. Cause
Yeah.
if you think you can come tell me no lie upon your father and me believe you, me and your part two different somebody. So you go tell him lie upon me and he believe.
Me never tell him
Cause
that.
me never send you
I
nowhere.
didn't tell him that.
Did I send you anywhere?
No, you tell
No
me.
answer me, boy. No. Say no, mommy.
No, mommy.
See, you go tell your father lie upon me and him believe. Did I send you on the road?
No, mommy. And I didn't
When me did tell you say if you go ask your father say.
ask him if I can go on the road.
And
And ask him say if he say yes, me would come back and ask him would I just go on. Mommy?
so did you ask your father if you can go up on the road?
Yes, mommy.
And what him say?
He said yes, go on, but not take too long.
So when you look around there, so when you talk to me for you think me your pa?
He said,
You see you tell your pa lie upon me? Nobody think you can come tell me lie. Pan your father and me just believe you so.
Look for me when you're chatting now.
he-
You tell me, say, mommy give you approve.
me,
Like an embassy you go.
me,
Approve.
daddy, me never tell
To
you
go for the
that.
road. So I look
Me
for you
never
and say,
tell you that.
alright, you can go on because you and your mother feel like you're a big
You do
woman.
lie. You
Me,
Hey!
lie.
Oh, don't talk to your father like that.
But him telling lie.
as your God, come round here. Me come round to your mother.
But daddy, you must stop tell lie.
You look for big man and the big man and tell lie.
Mommy, let me tell you this story. After you
Look, girl,
send-
let me tell you something.
wait,
Number one-
I am talking. Mommy, after you send me, go ask daddy if I can go on the road, right? I go around
No
there.
man,
Oi.
no man.
Oi.
It's like you don't get you
Hello.
never get the bell
You
good.
realize who you dey talk to?
Yeah, sorry.
Who you talk to?
You never get the bell good.
Who you talking to?
Listen when me
Your
attack.
father.
Yeah,
Apologize. No.
I'm sorry, daddy.
Okay. Let's
Listen
go
what me
out
say.
order.
I teach you something. You see on the road, no picnic I get missing. Picnic I get missing. Me don't know if they argue people I take them we go sell. So you have to be careful.
After
You see them online friend they wanna text, I know them. Our people take people picnic identical, some pretty young boy put palm Facebook we catch you know. Because some of the year red, as well as the brown skin, copper color skin boy, we look like milk chocolate or milk. Hour. And what? Hour. Eh?
I just want to say something. As a family, we need to sit down and can discuss things where the neighbor they not hear. You see
No,
why
no.
they have so much things that talk about this little girl and you? Because everything we they talk about in here, so we talk loud, we load up with mouth, and people hear we so they have things to cuss with. Other day with me and you when they pass, but true, me no want you in no argument with nobody. You never hear what the woman I tell the next lady say. Oh, with the over here, they cuss every time. And how she they go on like a big woman over here, and she they go on like I say, you and her they sleep.
Let me tell you something. I'm going to tell you again. Stay away from online. Because who is behind the camera is not them.
All right.
You see the picture one I see on profile? It's not them. And as a matter of fact, I make sure me scan your WhatsApp. Me go scan your Facebook. Me go make sure me have everything in a one phone.
I know that.
Daddy,
So
I know
anything.
that we fit do. Seize the phone. Me they say me I got ban
No,
if
they,
you
no,
want
they
week or
need
2 weeks.
No, she a go to school, so she need the phone to know. Say if a taxi man I take you
Okay,
away, he can call.
Acho.
Me need.
it better you just mash up your phone. I don't want you to search my phone.
So you rather me mash up your phone, right?
No.
Or you rather me mash up part of you? Which
You see how
one?
quick she say no?
Phone. Daddy, phone.
Oh, okay, good.
No,
Good, because me now mash up the phone, you know.
me don't get too much lick since morning. Since there, Pabu.
Listen what me I say now. stay away from, me I warn you, little girl, stay away from online. People behind the picture is not them. You hear?
Daddy, I want to go bed. Want to go bed now.
Oi.
How much time you want to be today?
If you no know,
Eh?
hello.
Why you want to go bed now?
If you don't know how to speak proper English, shut your mouth.
Why you want to go bed now?
Now school people are
You
saying
know, just bed today. Why you want to go bed? That you fi find out.
I don't know. I just want to go.
That you fi find out. Why you want to go bed?
come here. Let smell.
Smell him. Smell him.
Why you smell like that? Where they come from?
Jesus, somebody dead. Somebody dead.
Where they come from and who you go to?
Somebody want to go in a barrel now.
Who you go to?
Somebody dead.
Alone.
Action.
No man. Somebody ever dead. Where there? Where me butcher knife there?
What are you going to do with the knife?
No. I rather cut you up and mince you up than get disgrace in this house. Where your mother just where you say you smell?
She smell funny like something wrong.
Like when back in the
Nothing
days
is
when me
not
and you.
No, me and you. For me and your days different from them your people your days than nowadays.
Okay.
Different smell them here.
Okay.
This has sent you high and like something wrong. Like him just don't do it.
Okay.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that.
Okay. Okay. I wait there.
You notice you saw me with a girl and a boy.
Okay. Okay.
Daddy, what you doing with the iron?
Okay.
What you doing with the iron?
You feel
No.
like you're a big woman? Make it go on hot.
Daddy, no.
Make it go on hot. You see this? Me I go press. You see the feather one up on no?
Mommy, tell me to remove the iron from here.
I do business with you.
Listen me.
Daddy.
Me no raise no big woman.
You know business with you.
Me tell you from you.
So, already I'm going to buck you up out of bush out there's a kissy girl where you always give money. Why you never, why mommy never burn you with the iron and you want to come burn me? Me say I'm out of bush. Me say me not to tell you pay me $100 say me not to
Watch out.
Want use the toilet.
You see?
So high and burn you.
Want use it.
You're running belly now. Should have burn off your
Why?
finger then.
Mommy?
Because some most police you want unlock your boy and plug in iron for bud pitney. Wicked father.
Me see it's so wicked girl why always give money. Any day me I go on the road.
Don't friend me up, you know.
No,
Because
no.
you see what
Me
you do
not friend
and
you.
then lie and this and that and
Mommy,
something.
me not friend
You
you.
will get punishment fee.
Yes,
What you say
I
about
know.
him?
See more time road. They say I going to iron burning iron not fully hot. You want to use the bathroom and the iron burning. Why want to use the bathroom and the iron burning? Why never go use the bathroom and in there you start talk to me? Mommy, me see more this a catch up in a bush. Woman sit down in a lap. Mommy look on the neck. You will find that icky right here so. Right here so.
Go on out.
That's why we are relaxed.
Go on out here, you can't chat about Icky like in your father's size. Go on out. Me and your size, me and I hold certain conversation. Go on out.
You don't want to listen to me.
Me no want to hear nothing from you, no problem.
Mommy. Mommy. Can I go on the road?
Come right here, stop and stand up.
Yes.
What you say?
Can I go on the road?
Why?
I want to go on the road to buy something.
Who give you money?
I'm going to ask Daddy.
You know, get the money yet, but you want to go up on the road to go buy something. Me not go send you.
Can't sit outside?
Why?
To cool out.
No, me not stupid.
I'm not going to find you with Mommy.
You ask me
Can I
if...
sit right here? Okay, so
When you done talk, me talk.
I'm finished.
You asked me if you can go on the street, right?
Yes.
And I said what?
No.
Okay. Now you use the head palm, you tell me say you want to sit down out the door. Why you want to sit outside?
Because the air is hot.
Where did burn in a snow?
No.
Where you burn in a? No heat.
Yes,
Sun. That mean it now go do you nothing good for your body. Sit down this one. Go on over there so go sit down. Where your textbook them there? Run through them there. Run through them. All of the work them when they give you in a week, run through it. You think you can trick me? You tell lie upon me already. If me your mother and you can't tell lie upon me. What you want to do to somebody else and even yourself? Look into it. Little girl. You need Fi check yourself before you wreck yourself. Think about where the plan to do before you do it. Oh, this are not pretty.
I am not doing nothing. I just want to go outside because I'm hot.
You're hot.
Yes, I'm hot.
So now for 99 hours.
Yes, but the fan is on you.
You can spin it or you take it and put it on yourself. Me no want no fan. Me the right eye window.
Can you go on the road and get me a place? Please and thank you.
No sugar, no lime around this or quenchade. No Kool-Aid around there. That's all you do. Talk about everything what your father did do and you won't even tell me what you are do or what you plan to do before you do it. You just do it. And when you do it, all when we catch you red-handed, you say, it wasn't me. Like Shaggy, your father.
Me, I beg you. You want to sit outside with me? Come let me go.
Look here, me and I go outside. You see like how you torment my brain? And me can't take it no more, the nagging on my head. Go on. Go on out there, go along. But if you think you're bad, left from out of the yard. I mean not even get up and come watch if you're gone anymore. I mean no say any of me come out there so when me ready to come out there and you miss me, you're not gonna like it. When me hold you, the blood I go bitter.
You know, say come like God, they were good. Let me ever go sleep back in the same and sleep.
Awa.
You, me see you already.
Where?
Na my man phone.
Which man that?
Me see you already na my man phone, girl. But
Mama, me no know where you talk about now.
that message just
Which
say
man?
20. How you look so young? Oh, you look so young.
Me no 20. I mean no man number.
Na no man number.
No.
So you had in my man phone.
Me no in your man phone.
It so ends up that as me they left my yard, me buck up on you. What kind of signs? I mean, yes, they scratch me.
No. So where you saw me for? I don't know road me I go. Where wa?
Me see you picture in my man phone. You see right now? I want to see that phone there if you know if my man the number there in there.
Where you want to see my phone for, Mama?
Because I see a picture of my man phone and you tell me say you don't have no man. So come, let me search for your number in there.
Yes, Mama. Me have man, but I'm my man. Yeah.
What your man name?
Me no know him like that. Me
Oh.
meet him online.
Mama.
But I'm my man.
Mama.
And he said if you come meet him down the road,
Where what?
he might give me money.
Where do what?
And we
Where
go
what money
on
to do?
date.
Mama, give me that phone.
Give me my phone, Mama.
Mama, me you now get back this phone ya. So tell me where your mother name.
Mother name Candy.
You look a big mouth woman. You live up there.
Yes, the big woman will live up there, so.
Oh.
But you can't
Then
give me
to
phone.
all your mama go on and talk about people pick me and be a pick me and take people man. You know
Me
my
not
man
take people man. My man is
You
my
know my
man.
man how much?
No.
I'm on 920s.
But he
And you
tell
look
me say,
young. You look like you're in your teens. I don't want to be evil look like 10.
me are more than 10. Me are
You say me
13.
slap you and a little girl.
Three. Oh my God. You know who my father be?
Me not business who your father be. Me not business who your father be. No.
Me a go call my father. It two of them they come down. I'm my man, Mama. Me want my phone. Mama want my phone.
Yeah. Coming on all right and ready. So I go on.
Are you me a wait pan because I want some money to go buy something to cook.
You want some money to buy cook? Baby?
I want some money right now. I say you massage my foot all of a sudden here and them feel different like it a come off of one next woman foot. I never say you used to angle my foot them.
No,
and your hand them never used to feel so.
No,
Look
I
here.
want money
Babes, listen. Just take time and massage my foot like when you used to do it when you just meet me.
You don't get the partner job.
No, you don't get it yet.
No,
miss.
Barrel fi go deal down.
Me soon get it. She say by now and later to tomorrow because everybody not carrying their hand yet.
Anyway, where your daughter?
She said she should go sit down out. She not stop nag me missing her out the door because she want to come out of the
Out the
yard.
door?
She said she go outside go sit down catch breeze.
I
'cause
get a call.
she hot.
I get a car and she up on the road.
You know ya?
All over the globe.
Ah, Jesus.
All over the globe. She not hear. She don't listen. She don't listen. Beverly says, when you need. Speaking of the devil. See me?
Sit down.
Girl beat on me.
Sit down.
Amen.
One girl come in and yard come beat you up.
Take on my phone.
Oh, may I tell you something? Your father just... Listen. No pay your father no mind. He not say nothing to me. Somebody just call my phone and tell me say, they sit down in the yard. They did in the yard sit down? Oh.
No. Tell him say.
To me know how you lie, that's why me I use my head for you.
Oh.
Me don't know say you left out of the yard. Why somebody beat you, who you got trouble?
Me see 100 up on the ground. So me take up here and did I go buy drinks. Come in there look for him. And the girl see me out there so.
Look at
And
me.
she say,
Blast.
you.
Blast.
Me never know what you did there.
Blast. So you do it and you look for me.
So,
Yeah,
Anytime you dey tell lie, look like your father not figure it out, but me figure it out. You notice you can't look in my eye, and you cannot look into your father eye. You have to take sideways and they looking at the board them. But me still a listen to you. Cause it will look like he that place. So go and look over this and talk to it.
me see 100 up there so.
You see $100 up there up on the board?
On the road.
Oh, out the road.
Yes. And me take it up. And the girl come and say, Mama, offer me $100. So me turn around and me say, no, they're on the ground. So finders keepers.
So I saw somebody ball. I make them make up what you say, and they come pretend like they cry like, yeah, tell me about $100, no go so cry. I wanted that story you come with. Are this real? What about this $100 argument? Talk to me plain and straight. Cause you're a big girl, you know, you're 13 years old. You're supposed to can talk.
She grab it.
So people understand you when you talk. You're not supposed to say, I'm see $100 up there so, up there so wait, panny board. You did up there so?
The road on the ground.
Out the road?
I tell you, yes. And then the girl said, my $100. So I said, no. It's mine because it's finders keepers. Because
So hold on there. Cut before you go further. Cut now, make me talk. The $100 where they talk about, where you get it from? A few $100?
But she was
So
up
if
there
somebody
when
money
I
drop,
find
no, I saw me grow you. If somebody money drop on the ground, right? You they walk and you see $100 and somebody see when you take up here and say for them, why you not give it to them?
Mommy.
Your father and me give you no money? A matter of fact, where they do on the road, they tell me say you go sit down outside.
Yeah.
You see the girl we bust your ass? Where she there? Because me want to see her.
She should have bust
Wait,
it
you
out
know?
again.
So you want me go out there go bust up your girl face here? You see that girl? I would never do her anything. Would I shake her hand right now? You know why? Because you are unruly.
Ask the way for
You
me.
love... Hello? Turn around. You're unruly and you disobey my order and your father order. A matter of fact, me tell you, sit down in the yard. You take yourself and go out the road. So come back and come tell me, say, girl, bust your ass. She should have bust your ass 12 more times.
Yeah.
And that the one time they make 13.
Good.
So, look here. You is an idiot if you sit down right here, so now go back again, go pick up one next $100 for she bust your ass again. Go on, get up and go on back out, they go take up one more $100. Make she bust your ass. Tell her, I say, me say,
Ask him where you phone me.
But mommy, she never did it. She a come behind me. She
Ah,
a walk
so
up.
which-
oh, you see where you lie
Ask him where
now?
you phone me.
You see where you lie, all when you tell me the truth, me not gonna believe you. So even if you tell me the truth, you don't make no sense to tell me. Just go on back out the road and tell the girl, say, me say, if you bust your ass one more time, and then your mother said that and your father.
My phone, no, I'm my iPhone.
No, you have to go for it. You have to go get it. No, go for it.
She gone with the phone?
Yes.
I lie they tell.
Get up and go for it now.
She said like, oh, she me name want give her $100. She box me and take out the phone out of my hand.
She box you
Yeah,
and
man.
take the phone out of your hand? So what could have cost this?
Go on, go
Out
on.
of $100, I white man with the pass I go up the road on the bike, him money drop from. I mean
What?
take up it.
Go on.
Hold on there, give me a pass.
Mm-hmm.
Then you come.
Oh! I don't business in a woman fight. I am a man of respect. I don't deal with violence.
Come on, we are going to try.
Me not gonna know with my charger. You see, true you love take people things, me I take up my things.
Good. I'll make sure it's there. That's what.
Me a come, me know.
Cause I top off your nose left and right and left. You know how you can get the. Alright. No matter murder it is.
I don't know that the girl if you take when me pick the phone. She bright.
Yeah, man, I don't know why I want to fight.
Oh. Go on in the... Oi, let me tell you something. Let me go back and me usual spots. Me left the phone over here, so you need to hear this a story. Yeah?
No.
And she needs to come in at the middle. You see that little girl where we have here? She laid this somebody on 2 foot. You better she did have 4 foot.
Where?
You know what the little girl they do? She dey her man. She a walk and tell man, oh, she a 20 and she a 13. And they text people, man. Tell the man, oh, she a 20. And the little girl a 13. She no know danger.
Am I your father? Am I your father?
You see phone ya? She no school or no school. She no need that phone ya back. And you a tell me about me to give her a phone because she want it when she dey at school, whatever. Me not get it back. If you get it back, it's your fault.
What your mother just say? What your mother just say?
But the man they are idiot too, you know. Can look on this a little old fat here. This a little pitney can look on one big old ass steering man and tell the man say she a 20 and the man believe.
Then,
and the girl just tell me take the phone from me, don't know if I true.
Then you know if he send no man no picture if you know if I'm 20?
I don't know. Then they know they meet up on them one another I look like. How you get the man number for you text the man?
You ever see the man in person?
I'm an online friend.
Are you online friend?
And she tell me say she meet the man already, face to face. She tell me so the other day.
Friend?
She tell me so from the other day, say she meet the man already. And me talk to her about it.
If I leak you out of this, you become the cookie when
Give me
the jar. Yeah.
Give me it. You know no sense. So you take
Yes,
up here
I
and watch out. Take your dirty foot off my bed. You think you give me soap to wash? And the big head where you have like a idiot. I grow on and I give my number.
You know look her good. You know look her good. You know say she don't look her neither. Because of your footstep in my fella.
Over footstep, me look like what me look like to you.
Remember the first
all when me a 99-year-old, you see me I walk and I give one bag of man my number if you come call me and me text people man and sitting. And you alone me have over how much years. Now ramp with me.
Yeah, you used to tell me say you are 18 when you know say you are 15. Girl, come here. I don't drink up my water. Come here, son. Come here, son. And your mother footstep you follow. Eh? Cause I know your father footstep come your man. And your mother footstep you follow.
Daddy, I'm following your footsteps with the line thing.
Just call me here one more time so you follow my footstep, make I fresh up your breath. Just say something. Say something out of your mouth again, boy, me again. So I feel my footstep here.
Oh, you not understand life, you know?
Pray you.
You see when you're wrong, you're wrong. And you see when people attack you, you need to shut up and look into yourself and know say you're wrong and know say you're not going to do it again. Me notice that every time we attack to you about something where you do, you constantly attack when we attack like we on your size. Top friend do it. We on your size. Me tell you something, you bust your ass. Tappy man, tappy. Come back out of here again and you will see. Come out of here again and you will see what me do to you.
That phone and name cellular or phone. Or bip or tip. Do not give him back that phone. And as of
me tell her to put on your phone, you tell her to take it up.
WhatsApp. Now, what the other word?
Instagram.
Instagram.
I'm not coming back.
I know that. Yeah, there, man. Sky police, then we know if you do with your underage girl on road, then you got cops your fault. And if they call me and ask me your mama, me I tell them say no. See, so when you do your foolishness them out the road, tell them say your mama dead, and your granny you grow it, and your granny not no phone, so then we take you and carry you got cops. Me no busy with you. Since I a big woman and I walk and I tell man boy you're 20. When you're just 13, you're out than road. Man, you know one before time.
What are your fault?
My fault. I not take no blame for no picking with one man before time.
You cook?
Who'd not run away? Who'd have for everybody? And I have to tell her that.
Hey! Who are that in your mouth? Hood is not for everybody. Hold that in your mouth.
Me not talk about you, you know, and uno man, you know.
Oh,
Would have fit every woman.
Oh, yeah.
But when it's the right time, it's the right time. She want to take wood before time.
Oh.
You see, when they reach certain age and fees, the parents can talk to her. So you put yourself in a this story.
Yeah?
You're not woman.
No, because
Would have fit all away. Not uno man.
don't do it, so.
Would have fit all away, not uno man.
No, say
Uno
woman.
done.
Say the word woman.
Alright, would have fit woman.
Yeah.
But then I pick me and they want to take wood before time. Then to out of order.
Tell them
Then
to
if
book
you
off
listen.
them.
That's why police them are growing and create them up off a road, you know, and I lock up your parents them for neglect, you know.
No, they have
Because picking them too bad.
Lock up, picking them and let them.
And then they lock up your parents them and they say parents neglect, and we cannot know. How can a parents know everywhere them picking them every moment or every move they make of their life? Nothing can go so.
big man.
You send them to school, then take time and hide clothes before they come out of the house because they know the parents are
Listen
searching bag. So they hide the clothes somewhere. And then they come out because they know the parents are looking at them back, then they go on a beach with man and sitting. You know how much high school pitney then catching a car do right with man? Police lock them up too, you know.
The thing is, with some of them look up at me and what they feel like say the world a run too quick.
Yeah, last week.
So they want and the big man never tap it too.
Boy.
The big man never tap promise to look up at them money.
And the pitney them feel learn. You chat about the big man them fi stop promising little pitney them money. Yes, them fi stop. Me understand what you say. Because the pitney them when them a give money, then can be them daughter. But the pitney them fi learn fi satisfy with what them parents give them and stop take things from man.
Some of them brain young, so you have to understand to them brain young.
Then young, of course, they all we did young, but them a generation they have sense more than me and you. So listen, this is a technology world we live in, you know, technology world.
Why you think?
Modern time, a civilized time now, but why you think you need to listen when me I say to you, know, because she when they listen to me, she wouldn't end up and do this.
Me say, the big man them must stop.
The big man, they must stop give the pitney their money, but the pitney them must satisfy what them parents give them. And that you're not looking to.
Some of them not satisfied.
They know that me they tell you.
The big man
They're
them
not
must see the
satisfying
pitney
with whatever them parents can afford. So they go take things from big man through then see other rich people pitney. They are school with iPhone and all kind of phone they want phone too, so they do anything for get it. The man them figure prison and the pitney them figure cops. Me not put nothing for no pitney alone and me not put nothing for no man alone. Pitney must learn to satisfy with what them parents can afford, and the man they must have sense and know say then if it top ton pervert, pedophile, child molester, else a prison them a go head with them tongue long out of their head.
And you can't believe it, say them a young girl nowadays. They say big man before them hold their head so. If a man call off of them, just hold their head go so. Then the thing
The children them a go on like I said them a big woman.
how make them become a big woman? Them mother.
Oh, their mother. I know everyone I mother them stay so in our world. Don't do it. You have good, decent mother out there. Don't mix up the good, decent parent them with the old crosses mother them when I'm busy with them pitney. Not do that.
Look at Susie. You didn't know say Susie I sell out in little young picking over there?
You know why Susie doing that? Susie did not grow with no love. Susie do not know how to take care of children. That's why them say before you be a mother, you got to be a woman. Susie breed before she be a woman. She can't turn mother before she be a lady.
You can't sell out a 12-year-old.
Then that me they tell you say she get pregnant before she became a woman.
The poor little girl.
You don't understand what me I say? You don't understand what me I say? You don't get it all now? Before you be a mother, you got to be a woman. That means from you is a woman, you is a lady. But if you go breed before you turn woman or lady, what you think? What you expect? You just leave yourself out there to the world and the devil. You understand? So we need to grip up this one here and take her up more often in her hand. She too loose, because all me they do, she come like I say, make you tire.
Do not give her back the phone. Because
Me? You know how much time I tell us if you take your phone from her and chat about school this and school that, so she want a phone, and you give her.
no,
Till she go and tell me now she at 20, are you? And you want to blame me.
well, if you last, you know you last. Don't give her back the phone.
Big old girl like that can last. If you have sense and know if you go tell man say she at 20.
Me I go look for something. See, me I get a call.
Alright.
Hello?
Me don't talk you know. Now go no prison for no pick me.
Where are they? My phone. Yes. Hey, madam, I didn't have to come for a long time.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Candy.
I'm Shanice.
I'm your mother. I'm here say you have her phone. What is the problem?
Oh yes, me take your phone cause
$100.
which $100?
Hold on. What you say?
She violate my sister. She text my man. My man is not a little pitney. My man is a big man.
What you say?
It's a little pitney.
She violate my sister, right? And then she start text my man. And my man is not a little pitney. He's a big man.
No, he must a little
Hold
pitney.
on. So,
Tell me say I'm 15.
excuse me. You can shut up, please, and me talk to her. Where she get your man number from? Oh, she just text your man, so. What kind of business you and fear manina?
I don't know about, but she tell the man, so she older. And my sister she. But me they wonder, when me the first see her, I say, no, I can't she, because she not like 20.
What you say?
She tell the man, say she at 20.
She not 20, she at 13. And that you do walk and tell man a road say you're 20 when you're 13? Eh? So a man, you they look. So you a look man before time. So penis a runway. You can't wait for your time. Anyway, you can give me phone please and thank you for tell me. Thank you. Thank you for tell me. I'm not come in no argument with them. I'm not come for country. So I just did want to say who take your phone.
Yes.
Because first of all when she reach home, am I child enough so I know say she a liar. So I did want to see who have the phone. First she tell me say some $100 argument sitting and this somebody take up take away $100 from her or whatever. Me know me never give her no money and her father no give her no money. So me no responsible no $100. And when me hear about the phone, that's the reason why I come out here and thank you for tell me. So that you do walk and tell man.
That where she come from. So I want me they walk to look if me see her parents. I never want to give back she the phone.
No.
Give somebody big.
I right thing you do. You not do nothing wrong. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, so you reach 20 now. Thank you. Thank you, my darling. So you reach 20 now, you're nobody 13. Go in the yard. Me and your father need to talk about this because all along, you do your foolishness them and the two of we on go to talk to you about it and you don't get no beating feet. Watch me and you. Your papa saying beat you other day, me not think you feel it. Watch me and you.
Alright.
No, man, listen. I have to go home. Look, you sleep enough with you last night. I mean, guys, I'm tired. Take it to me enjoy my night. I'm going to give you. What's it? You're working about. Alright. Buy some, Mr. Taylor, no food in it. Oh.
So all this money I'm worth. No worth more than this.
I 60 grand. I never get one.
So why we can't get more?
You can't get more than that.
Wham. What going right here, so?
I'm a co-worker, my boss of the PR, I'm a PR.
Co-worker.
Huh?
My co-worker there.
You.
Oh, I be a co-worker. I'm a woman. I'm be a co-worker. Me I hear the work you said, please? Yeah, man.
We see. I'm a co.
I help her this way of your yard. Come and say no. You say you have a daughter and a helper.
Me tell you something about that and a helper.
Yes.
Me tell you something live with my baby mother. I'm
No.
a picnic. And me tell you say that's why the boss now. That's why I'm not coming last night to call the boss. The boss.
You never come in last time because I was working my body. What you talking about? Why you never familiar?
Baby. Yeah. Yeah.
I want to walk one right here, so that me I talk about.
How you have become me for your big man? Bobby, let her come in now.
Wait there.
Let her come in.
Let go her. Let her go.
Let me go.
Let her go. Come out of the way and come over here, so me soon deal with you. Come out of the way and mind you get where you not forget.
She tie me.
Who tie you? Who tie you?
You know some men go bust her ass, but me nah bother. Cause from me hear what she say out her mouth, me know say a true she attack. Or you fi meet woman a road and tell them say you live with helper and your daughter. When me and your baby mother with a few much years. So that's the reason why you not have no money. That's the reason why you not have no money because you think you get woman out a road. Okay. You see it? You see yourself as a father? You see yourself as a man who saying live with a woman?
Sorry.
You're sorry? Right now, you're not sorry yet.
Mister.
Because your daughter miss her. And she me a walk and I look for else. Me wouldn't go see you and she. And a matter of fact, Lily girl. Me a
Big
big,
woman.
yes, me a big woman for you.
Yes.
You shut that ass up. Shut up. You a take for me baby father money. Why me and my daughter cannot feed sin upon you?
I know my part. I never know if you exist. But one thing
You
that
never
me
know
not
if me
jump by
exist.
you yet.
One thing me cannot job for me yet is what?
I probably not know good ways about as me I say.
Hey, you chat too much, girl. Come on, the damn about this. My daughter really miss me
So wait there. So you know, all the whole night, all the time, you're the ear from DFA. Your daughter miss me. You not realize that too? Or you think of somebody else's daughter name so?
Remember, say me never come in
How
last
old you
night.
little miss? How old for daughter?
My daughter, but me not hear nothing.
You know, you're not the
Me did
first
the
news to you.
fireworks, and
You
I
know
check-
why it's the first news to you? Because you don't have any time for your child and your woman at home. You have time for other woman out the road and a mind shop that the woman they have another man. And that the another man they have another woman. You see why sickness go on? Because you love go be back, you know. You know like use protection. You they tell me, oh baby, me now go get you pregnant, me we pull out it. And see there, little miss come. So you soon give me little sir. After you they walk around and they fling your private part all over the place and now protect yourself. Like seriously, and this what they do? No wonder why you ever broke. The bills then cannot pay. We ever hungry in the country, boy, you don't want third class meal to eat? After you know where they take your money and do with it? Like seriously?
Come
what?
go
You try
look
to
for
cut
your
the
daughter.
argument.
Come go look for your daughter. Don't secret about it. She's nobody. She ain't nobody. She ain't nobody. Them girls can't tap in your shoes.
No, me ask you one question. So hold on there, Papa. Me is nobody.
No, me say she.
No, me ask you one question. Me I talk about myself right now.
Somebody.
Me no nobody.
You're somebody.
So for me private part not good enough for you make you the walk
no,
and
me did
sleep
the
on.
resty. Me did the resty.
Me tell us I'm tired. Eh? Me tell us I'm tired.
No, me.
Me tell us I'm tired or me bust up your face down your boy. Me tell us I'm tired. Eh? Me tell us I'm tired. Me tell us I'm tired. Eh? Me tell us I'm tired. You ramp with me, you know. You dey ramp with me too
Me
long.
up a
Me
yard.
dey serious you know.
Me up a yard. Oh God, man. We don't know the feelings. We're talking about me and my daughter now. What is it happened last night? That me not understand. That's why me said that me shouldn't drink too much.
You don't know do this foolishness. So you just want rake up fire in a road with woman and me down there so and then come and chat but you done it
I told me
foolishness.
didn't drink last night. Me kind of miss my turn. Me I walk and me just miss my turn and me just reach at the yard. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, go on like that.
You know, I feel say something did wrong with me when me come there with you, but make it turn right so.
No,
You know, you want me say to you down the road.
you said she missed last night.
Okay.
But how she come out of the house?
What you mean?
You're the mother, you're supposed to make sure
So what?
she well fed.
Me feel sleep with one of me lock and one open.
Sleep with the two open.
Oh, so me not fi sleep none child. Me feel watch people crutches. We feel say they ain't ready to go do what they fi do before time.
That's why I didn't want no girl picking it. I'm pray if boy picking at the belly and you come push out girl picking
The
it.
only difference between having a boy and a girl, the boy cannot get pregnant and the girl can get pregnant. But the boy, we go breed that people pick me. That you feel know.
I'm gonna tell him go walk. But when the girl go breathe, the man and man put him out, and yeah, him go come back. And Bailey can feed him. So how me gonna feed and pick me and woman? Tell me now.
You know why all of this occur, you know?
Uh-huh.
Because you leave everything for me and the time you should have pay attention to your daughter, make me sit down and deal with the situation, you out the road and give woman money. Me no know with your excuse.
You know.
Excuse, I remember me tell you something. You see tonight, you see when night come down, tonight, make sure you see your beard, brush your teeth and brush out your rum out of your dirty mouth. Cause I don't like smelly rum when you drink and they come from your woman yard. Wash off the woman center for you. And when you dey sleep tonight, use one different sheet cover. Make sure you go over the corner. Me see your tie in.
So why things change? Why are two different separate shit now?
Because you have woman with me can't bother with you. You alright?
Can't say that, man.
Who that a knock your door? Who that?
Come in. Can
You
you
not even know who but you're
I
calling
can't
people.
jerk it. Watch ya. Ashley, yes, everything. Ashley, yes, everything. Where you come from, little girl? Where are you coming from? Me here say you not sleep here last night. You a big woman? You how much?
13.
And where you should have done last night?
You're in bed.
So where you come from? Where you come from? You think where you do right? No, me I go serious now and be a father. Me think say no, me I get out of hand now. Me have to feel and man up now. Because your mother now mother and woman up. So make me man up. Look girl, I ask you one more time. Where you come from?
I slept in the bush last night.
You sleep in the bush last night. But where you go before you sleep in the bush?
One saying you know I want to talk back to your boy. So many tell him say he and him break up.
The boy where they talk about. And you dry, you see? That the boy there how much you roll? Cause if you can tell boys, oh,
I'm 29.
eh? So true, the boy at 29, you tell the boy say you're 20. Oh, I see where this 20 they come from. It look like a play for cash pot tonight. Little girl. So like seriously, you don't love yourself. You're 13 and tell man say you're 20 is a wicked little girl. The police them, although mother get in a trouble, the police them should have see up on the road and lock up your backside and lock up the man.
20, 21 just say what? I mean, I hear good.
Say the man at 29. That's why she tell man say she at 20. You think them a pitney nowadays easy? Then don't easy. Then tell man wrong age. And
I mean, they are blame man mostly.
okay, and to them body bigger. That's what I tell you say. You have to blame the child and blame the man. Cause the pitney them with them mother with can be
Where
them
is my
daughter.
sister? Me say my sister, call her say go. But let me talk to you now. You see, we are run down, not ready for you yet. You see, baby, look how me and your mother suffer with you. Eh? Me not have no money most of the time because, alright, me mess up. Because me have the money I give woman out the road, which me should have then give it to my family. Me I give it out there, but I too sometimes your mother rough me up and cuss me. And other woman out there nourish me and cherish me. But now me learn, say sometimes you have to suck salt before you can reach sweetness. You understand? So me go start suck salt and share the money between my family. No more ton call me. But hear what me I say? It's where you run down.
Where I do? Eh?
Where's there?
Where they do? Where they say to her? How you give human, how you give human money a road and no suck salt? What?
That was
So you admit the fact that you were giving woman money outside?
Make mouth slip again, man.
Your mouth slip again. It look like you don't know when to talk, how to talk, and where to talk.
So people get a box with the left hand.
Come out a big people story and think about what you do. Think about how you take up man before time put on your head and don't want to take your book at school.
At 13.
You who?
Sorry.
At
That not look
13.
like you're sorry because you have this smell like you will do it again. Where do? Sorry say you come back and sorry say you never stay a little longer. You not sorry. You don't sorry about you sleep in a bush. See who you can trick then, not me.
Chico,
Who are you sleeping in the bush? You think me not listen to you through me not saying anything?
at 13.
Me are not sleeping at the boat.
Let me tell you something.
And you have your yard to sleep
At
and go sleep in a
13.
bush.
Yeah? What teachers? Jai, me I chat to you. At that age like yours, if you get pregnant now, who take care of you and your pitney?
Nobody look over you, so.
Who
Cause
going
me
to take
cannot
care of
get
you
you.
and your
Hello.
pitney? You can barely wash your
Me
body.
cannot get you pregnant, so I
You
could
can
never
barely
mean.
bathe yourself. You can
And
barely,
that you talk about the girl Kevin wash her drawers.
you can't even cook.
And then they with man.
Miss you a fry egg. And Miss you say a bun in my
You know, say shame you not have me realize you don't have no shame.
Listen me
Because
now.
look when the stuff them what you do. And your father they talk to you and skin your teeth.
Let me tell you this.
As skin your teeth like I know nothing.
When
I
last
laugh
you
for the
watching
laugh
news?
off of him. So you take him
When
for
last
idiot.
you watching news?
And they go back go do it again. You know say I laugh, she laugh off of we.
2 years ago.
2 years ago. Let me
Yeah.
notify you now. This morning I was looking at the phone. Answer for the news where a 40. Take that backside off of me. We're a 14-year-old.
So you have to do me so
Get pregnant. And our workless mama go to abortion. Eh? Our workless mama go to abortion. And you know what which one?
Abasho? Where?
Abortion.
Abashant.
Abortion, yeah.
God. Where you saying him? Abashant?
Alright, in what
Me no say Abashant. De. Me think of Abashan. So you put T out I N.
Anyway,
Jesus Christ,
anyway,
God, come down. Me pick
anyway.
up dunce man. Me pick up liard man. Liard pitney. Deceitful man. Hey.
No, listen up. Well, me top to the
Night
road.
I come down. I want to go sleep.
She dash away. The mother can't go dash away. Our private doctor. The people don't live for sick today. She died. The mother and the doctor, they are prison right now. So, you see, any of your mother can you tomorrow morning. Go check you and you're pregnant. You and your mama go and carry. Cause me nah do no dash away. You know go and carry. You hear what me say? And under this room you do. Any man where the puppy, you and your mama go and walk with one of them barrel leg. And go
You know me realize with you? Your belly full. That's why you talk so much. If you know you shut your damn clappers. I know me you have nothing in you. Who are go mind that and carry go away? Who are who go that show that? Eh? You see symmetry mark for me? What you talk about?
Me never say dash away.
So who figure can pick me and just say I know you are go dash away and me and your mama go do her?
Me never say you go dash away. Me say him a go carry. You, she and you, I go carry it.
Me and she I go carry. I feel me belly in her. I feel me belly, whatever you talk about, go in her.
So you are go find
You know say it's a bad father, you is not a good father.
So when me I tell
Because
you,
even though she do what she do and she wrong, we no care about that yet, you know. Or me no, as you say, me I go care. Me no care about that yet, you know. You cannot prove if she pregnant or she not pregnant, you know. And look where they take your whole stupid tongue, do. Call down breed pan her.
so what are they? You know, can carry her go check a semen in her.
I see man in here.
Semen. Semen, yeah, not semen, sorry.
When she go a doctor, the doctor will do everything. I am
You know
going
what me I tell
bring
you,
her
say
to
no.
a gynecologist and make them test her.
You know what me I tell you, say no. You see, as of from today, you see when they start go to school back. When school open Monday morning, right? Me I call the school if you know say you reach. You see when school over, me I call the school if you know say you know for the school
Boy,
compound.
them a pick me as then Jinal. Them a pick me they will behave like a good children in the school. When they come home and they run them parents and behave good. You know, hear all the people they matter about them and the bus driver, them taxi them, how they can go on in a them bus. And when they in a bus park and I be a kiss up and hug up and be a bad word long fire so go straight over so.
Well,
And when tiny big people them see them and they say, little girl, why you behave like that? Or little boy, behave yourself. You think you people are size and you see big people here so go. If you know then tell the people them figure do. Then figure do what with them, you know when they chat the S word.
you know what me I tell you?
They not no manners.
Me I keep a track of you.
If you chat to them, then say you know them ma and you know them pa.
And
Say no if you talk to them.
you see your book? Me I run through it every day. Every day me I run through that book there. You see if me not see no date in a
Look here, you know make no sense to keep her, yeah. You see when you they say to her and when me they say to her right now, she here cause she not deaf but it gone through 1 year and go through the other. You better we send her a cops.
What you?
Because she a go do back the same thing again.
You're right.
She a go do back the same thing. You know,
You see
say
that same bag where you run there with? Me I go make sure say me bring you a cup.
a cop see figure, me no want him here.
You come.
Better you breed me and give me twin. This time, instead of that one day, me say that him man, carry my cops, I feel me pick me, but God forgive me and pardon me. Better than then, the homes where Babylon I watch them, me the out here so me can manage to watch you. Go on a children woman.